Hi everyone, my name is Rishika Palli. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 8 of class 8, cell structure and functions. So let us begin. Now first let us start with what is a cell. A cell is a basic structural and functional unit of a body. Now the question is, who discovered the cell? Robert Hooke in 1665 observed the small slices of cork under a microscope. Cork is a part of a bark of a tree. He took thin slices of cork and observed them under the microscope. He noticed small boxes and which were like little structures of little rooms. So he observed that the boxes or cells in the cork were actually dead cells. So then he termed them as little rooms that in Latin are known as cells. Thus, the name is derived from the word little rooms. This is Robert Hooke and what he had observed under the microscope. Now let us see who invented the microscope. Zacharias Janssen invented the microscope. Now let us see what are multicellular and unicellular organisms. All organisms cells perform the same functions that a unicellular organism can perform. So now let us see what is a unicellular organism. An organism which has only one cell are known as unicellular organisms. The organisms which are having more than one cell are known as multicellular organisms. Let us see a few examples of unicellular organisms. Examples are bacteria, paramecium, amoeba, Chlamydomonas. Multicellular organism examples are octopus and petromizon. Now let us see the shape of the cells. The shapes of the cells vary according to their function or the work they do. Let us take an example of amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism, and let us see its parts. They are pseudopodia, nucleus, and pseudopodia. So now, pseudopodia are also known as false feet. They help in capturing the food for amoeba, and they also help in its movement. In our human body, there are various kinds of cells which are having various functions. So first one is RBC. RBC means red blood cells. They are spherical in shape. The next one is the nerve cell or the neuron. Its parts are dendrite, nucleus, cell body, axon, and nerve ending. The function of the neurons are to transfer messages to the brain and bring back messages from it. The next type of cells are the muscle cells. Muscle cells help in forming muscles and they are spindle shaped. Now, let us see the size of cells. But before we go to the size of cells, let us understand how a human body is made. Levels of organization. Our human body's first basic structure is a cell. Many similar kinds of cells join together to form a tissue. Similar kind of tissues join together to form organs, and different kinds of organs form organ systems. Various organ systems form the human body. Now let us see the size of cells. As I had told you all earlier that the size and shape of the cells vary on their functions, now we will see the largest cell and the smallest cell in the world. So the smallest cell in the world is the cell of a bacteria, which is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometers. While the largest cell in the world is the egg of an ostrich, that is 17 centimeters to 13 centimeters. We have completed half of the chapter today. Now we will continue the next of the chapter in the next part. See you in the next part. Thank you. Bye.